honest, people are earning daily from Facebook. The question is, are you doing it the right way? This course will show you step by step how Facebook monetization really works. I'm Ilyas Kabul, and this is Facebook Monetization Mastery. No fake tricks, only real methods approved by Facebook. In this video, we'll cover eligibility, monetization types, and setup. Facebook monetization means earning money from your content. You earn when people watch, engage, or support your content. Facebook pays creators directly, not through middlemen. Your videos become digital assets. But only if you follow Facebook's rules. First, let's talk eligibility. You meet the age requirements and citizenship status. You need a Facebook page or a professional mode profile. For most monetization, you need followers. Some features require 10,000 followers. Others require 60,000 minutes of watch time. Reels monetization focuses on views and engagement. You must follow community standards and monetization policies. No reused, stolen, or watermarked videos. Original content always wins. Your page quality must be clean. Monetization methods. Monetization methods. There are multiple ways to earn. In-screen ads on long videos. Ads on Facebook Reels. Live streaming with stars, it's a great experience. Fan subscriptions for loyal followers. Brand collaborations, Brandbrand. Facebook monetization. Affiliate product tagging. Facebook monetization. Not every method is available in every country. Please check the specific options for your region. Availability depends on region and account health. Smart creators combine multiple methods. Your professional dashboard. Click the monetization section. Check which tools you qualify for. Complete monetization setup. Add your payment method correctly. Submit tax information if required. Verify your identity. Approval can take a few days. You'll be notified once approved. You can now access all monetization features. This is where your earnings appear. Content talent matters more than tricks. The Withdrawals. Post Reels consistently. Reels equal growth. Facebook monetization. Start growing today. The first 3 seconds decide everything. Hook examples. Facebook monetization. Always add captions, grow to your page. Post daily or at least 5 times a week. Study your insights. See the growth and maximize your Facebook monetization. Engage with your audience and watch your monetization grow. Avoid copyrighted music and clips. Original videos grow faster. Facebook monetization. Think long-term, not viral only. This roadmap focuses on sustainable Facebook monetization. Let's talk about mistakes in Facebook monetization. Reposting TikTok videos. This is how you can monetize with Facebook. Believing fake earnings screenshots. Violating policies repeatedly. Low quality or spam content. Facebook monetization is real, if done right. In the next video, we'll build a monetized page from zero. Follow for the full course. Like, share, and save this video. See you in the next lesson.